Sheena is an office assistant in a small company. She's recently joined the company and she plays an important role in making sure that the office is functional. She helps other employees set up their meetings, she helps them file their important papers, and she helps keep the office supplies in order and many such other tasks. For the last few weeks though, she's been upset and sad, and this has begun to affect her work. Her boss, Nikhil, has noticed this change in her and has decided to talk to her about it.
Good morning, Sheena. How are you?
Good morning, sir. I'm fine.
You look sad or upset. You're not your usual self.
No, sir. Everything is fine.
Look, Sheena, I can help you if there's a problem, but first you have to share it with me.
I'm tired of working all the time. There are so many problems. If I solve one problem, another comes up. I'm not happy at all.
Calm down. Let me tell you a story.
Story?
I have learnt many life lessons from this story. I'm sure it'll help you too.
Okay.
We have all grown up listening to the story of the hare and the tortoise. Have you heard it?
I might have heard, but I don't remember now.
There was once a hare who was very proud of how fast he could run, and he kept boasting about it to all the animals. A tortoise, who got tired of listening to him, decided to challenge the hare. The hare told the tortoise, "You are no competition to me. I will defeat you." The hare decided to accept the challenge.
But it is impossible for a tortoise to win a race.
Yes, that's so. Let me tell you the entire story. The stage was set for a perfect race day. All the animals gathered around to watch the race. The race began. The hare ran down the road and then stopped, paused, and looked back. The tortoise was not to be seen. The hare thought to himself, this tortoise will never catch up with me. The hare decided to relax. He stretched himself out on the road, fell asleep, thinking the tortoise will never catch up with him. The tortoise was tired, but he did not stop. He kept walking and walking and walking. At one point of time, he even crossed the hare and won the race. The hare got up and realized that he had lost the race.
Oh, really?
Yes. So, what did you learn from the story?
Never give up.
Yes. Why do you think the tortoise never gave up? Because he was so motivated to achieve his goal, which is to win the race. The tortoise was very focused to achieve his goal. His plan was to just keep walking. With commitment and dedication, the tortoise won the race. Look, Sheena, in life, things happen around us. Things happen to us. But what truly matters is how you choose to react to it and how you make the best out of it. I understand you're struggling, but come out of it, Sheena. Dedicate yourself to your goals. Think of a direction you would adopt to reach those goals and go after them. Be it in personal life or here in office.
I understood, sir. I'm an adult and now I'm ready to take up all the challenges.
Don't keep these struggles with you. Talk to a friend, a family member, or a colleague about them. They will help you come out with a solution. Problems do not stay forever and change will happen. You need to stay motivated to make that change happen and overcome problems.